I'm testing out the Oster MyBlend Plus as an alternative to the other popular mini or portable blenders. At about $25, it's about half the price point of those. It's got a 20-ounce impact-resistant sports bottle. It's 500 watts and has stainless steel blades. I'm just going to get it plugged in here. I am going to wash the parts and then make a smoothie. I've got almond milk, I've got some full-fat plain Greek yogurt, I've got half a scoop of protein powder, some turmeric, some ice cubes, some banana, frozen peach, frozen spinach, and frozen blueberries, some raw honey, and here we go. It's blending it up nice and smooth. I shook it a little bit and then blend it again. I think it works really well. It's got this drinking cap you can put on with a carrying strap, no leaks. It's a yes from me, guys. Delicious.